Okay. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good morning once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So our chapter is quadratic equation. We didn't complete that chapter. The next topic is nature of roots. Quadratic equation, we know there are two roots for a quadratic equation. Since degree of a quadratic equation is 2, it has two roots. Now, in this topic, we are going to study about nature of roots. Nature of roots means, are they real roots, or they are equal to 0, or are they distinct, or they don't have any real root. So these conditions we will study using our discriminant of a quadratic equation. What is the discriminant of a quadratic equation? Anybody? Gauri, what is the discriminant of a quadratic equation, Gauri?
B square minus 4AC.
Very good, very good. B square minus 4AC is known as discriminant of quadratic equation. So using this discriminant, we can predict about the roots of a quadratic equation. In linear equations, we have predicted how many roots are there, and are they equal root or unique root or distinct root, that we can predict. Or there are infinitely many roots that we can predict in linear equation using our conditions a1 by b1, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. It has unique solution. So in that way we can predict about the roots of a linear equations. Here about quadratic equation, here using our discriminant b square minus 4ac, we can predict about the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, so the topic heading is nature of roots, right? Nature of roots. Nature of roots. Consider the quadratic equation, right? Consider the quadratic equation. What is the general form of quadratic equation? Lena, general form of quadratic equation. Lena. Eva, what's the general form of quadratic equation?
AX square plus
Mm.
BX plus C equal to 0.
Ax square plus bx plus c, and a not equal to 0, that you must write. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. A cannot be equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, provided a cannot be equal to 0. Okay, and we know that its roots are x equal to bin x equal to roots. How can we find roots of a quadratic equation? X equal to I can't hear you, Bin. I can't hear. Roshan, Bin, I think there is a problem with your mic. Roshan, x equal to, for a quadratic equation, x equal to roots are, how can we find? Louder, Roshan, I can't hear. Louder. I think you just push your that knob of your mic, or all, just push all the plugs, because it's not, I can't hear. Raya, What is x equal to? Yesterday you wrote exam on this quadratic equation and you don't know what is quadratic formula to find x equal to? Justin? Justin? X equal to what? Rohan? For a quadratic formula, finding roots, what's the quadratic formula? X equal to? Unmute and say.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
x equal to minus b
Very good. Minus b.
plus or minus
Hmm.
uh, b b
Root,
square
root of.
root of b square minus 4ac by 2
By 2a. By
2a.
2a. X equal to Raya. You don't know this formula?
I knew.
And then why you didn't say? And what about Justin? You also don't know? Justin, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Then why you didn't say? And what about Roshan? Do you know this formula? Roshan and Abin. Roshan, do you know this? Abin? So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is the quadratic formula. To get the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, if this discriminant b square minus 4ac, if the discriminant D, that is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac greater than 0. If the discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. Distinct real roots means the roots are real and they are different, not equal. Distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. The roots are, don't write now, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. If b square, no need to write now, I will explain once. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. The equation has two equal roots. We know that for a quadratic equation, there will be two roots or two solutions. For a quadratic equation, there are two zeros or two roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, those two roots are equal. Two equal roots. Two equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the equation has no real root. No real roots. So these are the three conditions for nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and they are different. And if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, it has two equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, there is no real root. These are the three conditions. So I will explain once again. If the discriminant d equal to, that is b square minus 4ac, or we will write consider. Consider the discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac, then write if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots greater than 0, equation has two distinct real roots. Equation has two distinct real roots. And if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two equal roots. Two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real root. No real root. So put this in a box. If b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real root. No real root. So once again, I will explain about this nature of roots. We have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and it has if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, two equal roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real root. No real root. Okay? Okay, Alicia, can you hear me, Alicia? Alicia, can you hear me? Jerlin, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, Jerlin, read. If these three, read these three conditions. If
b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, two equal roots. B square minus 4ac smaller than 0, no real root.
no real root. Okay, so Sovel, read.
If b square minus 4ac bigger than 0, 2.
Okay, now let us continue. Write first question. Did you write the question? Find the discriminant of the quadratic equations and hence find nature of its roots. Did you write that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will write only equations. Okay. Heading is find the discriminant of the quadratic equations and hence find the nature of its roots. All of you wrote that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Here we have a equal to what? A equal
Two.
to b,
-4.
c,
3.
3.
3.
Okay, find d or b square minus 4ac discriminant. D equal to b square minus 4ac equal to minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to what? Find. Equal to how much? How much it is? Angelo, how much it is? Navneet, how much?
Ma'am, -8.
Negative 8. Very good. It is equal to 16 minus 24 negative 8. Is it less than 0 or greater than 0?
Less than.
Less than 0. Less than 0. Okay. So b square minus 4ac. Here it is less than 0. So therefore the roots are roots. What about the roots? If b square minus 4ac less than 0,
No real roots.
No
no
real roots are no roots.
has no real root. Equation has no real roots. The sure question. Equation has no real root. This type is a sure question. Okay. Second one. Second one, 2x square. 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Find D. Then say what about the roots? This square minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5 equal to how much?
31.
Negative 31, isn't it? So which is less than 0. Equation has no real roots. Equation has no real root. Third question. 3x square minus 4 root 3x. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Find D. This also. Okay, second one, d equal to, here this d equal to b square minus 4ac. B is minus 4 root 3. So it's square. Minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into A3C4. So this is equal to minus become positive while squaring. 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. 48 minus 48 equal to 0. Minus 4 root 3 square will be equal to 4 square and root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3, 48. Anyone have doubt? You can write in bracket. 4 square is 16. Root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3, 48. Okay. So what about the roots? Discriminant is 0. So the roots are, Angelo, what about the roots? If discriminant 0, if discriminant equal to 0, the roots of the quadratic equation, what was its nature, Angelo?
No real roots.
No real roots. If d equal to 0, no real root. Check your note. We have written in a box now. Read. Check. What will happen if d equal to 0? Angelo. If d equal to 0, discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0, what will happen to the roots? Roots are
2 equal roots.
2 equal roots. 2 equal roots. So write that. Equation has 2 equal roots. Equation has 2 equal roots. 2 equal roots. Okay. Now, next one. Isha, what was next answer? D is what, Isha?
From 12.
One second. Okay, Isha. 12. D equal to 12. B square minus 4ac. 4ac is minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 12 greater than 0. So, Isha, what can we say?
2 distinct roots.
Two distinct real roots. The equation has two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. Okay. Next question. Next question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k
ഞാനിപ്പോ വീട്ടിൽ തുരുമ്പടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന തത്ത.
Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. If
ഇച്ചു
all of you mute your my audio. All of you mute. Who from whose house this sound is coming? Find the value of k. If the equation 2x square, if 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0, kx plus 3 equal to 0, 0 has two equal roots. Has two equal roots. Given that the given equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 has two equal roots. We know what is the condition for two equal roots, isn't it? What is the condition for two equal roots? What is the condition for two equal b square minus 4ac?
Equal to 0.
Equal to
Ah,
0.
Equal to 0. So we can write given that equation has two equal roots. This is given. Equation has two equal roots. This equation, which was equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0, has two equal roots. And what is the condition? Therefore, we can say b square minus 4ac. For equal roots, we can say what? B square minus 4ac. Minha.
Equal to 0.
Equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So B is k. K square minus 4 into a to c3 equal to 0. K square minus 24 equal to 0. K square equal to 24. K equal to plus or minus root 24. K equal to plus or minus root of 24. So this we can write plus or minus 24. We can write 6 into 4. So this is plus or minus root 4 is 2. 2 root 6. Value of k is plus or minus 2 root 6. K is plus or minus 2 root 6. Here given that equation has two equal roots. So here we are using that condition for equal roots. What is the condition for equal root? We know that b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So substitute b square as k. B is k. A 2. C is 3. Substituting we will get k square equal to 24. K equal to plus or minus root 24. 24 we can write 6 into 4. Root of 4 is 2. 2 root 6. Plus or minus 2 root 6. Is it clear, all of you? All these are important questions. Is it clear? Meghna? Justin, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Atulya? Any doubt? Next one. Next one. Find the value of k. 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 If kx into if kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0, has two equal roots? Has two equal roots. Has two equal roots. Find the value of k if kx into x minus 2 has, the given equation is not in the form of quadratic. So first of all, we have to make it into quadratic form, then the same way. So given that kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First of all, multiplying kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now it is in the quadratic form. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Here a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k, c equal to 6. Given that it has equal roots, given that equation has equal roots, that is b square minus 4ac, equal roots, b square minus 4ac, Shweta? Melita, Swati, Vishnu, for equal roots, b square minus 4ac
Equal to 0.
equal to 0, equal to 0. So b is what? Minus 2k. Minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equal to 0. Equal to 0. That is 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. 24. Here we can take 4 outside. So k square minus 6k equal to 0. K square minus 6k equal to 0. But 4 cannot equal to 0. 4 not equal to 0. So what can we say? We can say k square minus 6k equal to 0. Again, take a k outside. We can write k minus 6 equal to 0. K minus 6 equal to 0. That is k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. That is k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. These are the values of k. K equal to 0 or k equal to 6. But check whether this k equal to 0 is possible or not. That we will check. K equal to 0 or k equal to 6. Look at our equation. Our equation is what? Equation is, all of you listen to the board. All of you listen to the board. Equation is kx square minus 2kx plus 6. Can this k can be 0? Think. Srihari. Why?
Because A is
Because
should be
a not
should be
equal
equal
to
to
0. That is the standard form. Standard form says what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 provided a cannot be 0. Here a is k. K can't be 0. Okay. So the answer is k equal to 0 or 6. But k cannot be 0. Therefore, value of k is 6 only. Value of k equal to 6. All of you go through the question and answer once. If any doubt, I will explain once again. Is it clear? Gauri, Swati, Meghna, Sovel, Rachel, George, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So next one,
Can I
next
explain
one.
how the 4 cancel?
Yes, yes, yes.
How 4 cancel?
Louder.
And 4, how the 4 gone?
How to?
And 4, that- and 4 got cut.
It's not clear to me here. Heavy rain, due to that I can't hear. Once again, say louder, please. I will explain. You want to explain it once again?
Ma'am, that 4, how the 4 got cancelled?
4 cannot, why we write 4 not equal to 0? That?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain. I will explain. Because, see, what is given k into 4 into that step is 4 into what is the step? 4 into k square minus 6k equal to 0, isn't it? This is the step. Here, two terms are there. One is 4 and this. And product of these two terms becomes 0. Product of two terms becomes 0. Product of x into y equal to 0 means what? Either x will be 0. 0 into y. Then it will be 0. Or y 0. That is x into 0. It can be 0. Or both 0. X and y 0 gives 0 into 0 equal to 0. But here we have two terms, 4 and k square minus 6x equal to 0. So either 4 is 0 or k square minus 6x equal to 0. Okay. But see, here 4 never be a 0. 4 is a number. It cannot be 0, isn't it? So we will write 4 cannot be 0. Here we will write 4 into k square minus 6k equal to 0. Two terms are there. In that, 4 cannot be 0. Can 4 0? No, it's a number. It cannot be 0. So the other term will be equal. Other term will be equal to 0. Because we don't know what is that k. So other term can be 0. From there we will continue. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So next one. Right, next question. Next question, find the nature of roots. Find the nature of roots if they are real. Find them. First of all, you need to find the nature of roots, and if they are real, find them. The equation is 3x square. 3x square. Equation is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3. Okay. See children, you have continuous 2 period now.